Get up. I get up right after my alarm rings. Wash my face. I wash my face with cold water. Get dressed. I get dressed before breakfast. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth after every meal. Brush my hair. I brush my hair before leaving the house. Press snooze button. I always press the snooze button for 5 more minutes of sleep. Make breakfast. I make breakfast for the whole family. Comb my hair. I comb my hair neatly every morning. Wash face. I wash my face with cold water every morning. Have shower. I have a shower after my workout. Leave home. I leave home at 7 a.m. every day. Get to school or to arrive at school. I get to school by bus every morning. Start my lessons or school. My lessons start at 8 a.m. Have a break. I usually have a break after 2 hours of study. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm as soon as it rings. Open the curtains. I open the curtains to let in some light. Make coffee or tea. I make coffee before starting work. Read the newspaper. I read the newspaper every morning. Check the weather. I check the weather to decide what to wear. Pack my bag. I pack my bag before leaving for school. Plan the day. I like to plan my day while having breakfast. Exercise. I exercise every morning to stay fit. Take vitamins. I take vitamins after breakfast.